Hello, good morning, everyone. How are we today? It is Sunday morning, it's 8 o'clock, and I thought I'll say hello to all of you before kids wake up and the day gets going. I hope you all are having a beautiful Sunday or Saturday night. For some of us, it's still Saturday night. Thanks, Bryce, for the thumbs up. Hi, Sevak. What I wanted to speak to you all today was about giving. And this is a concept that I have been taught ever since I was a little girl. Because I come from an Indian background, and I am in my home country is India, and that's something that all of us are always taught. Like, when you are little kids, even I teach my kids that, you should give, you should share whatever you have. Good morning, Sevak. Thanks, Manoj. Thanks, Suran, for watching. But I'll be honest with you. You all are my friends, my Facebook family. It took me a while to learn the concept and actually practice it. It's not just the learning, it's the basic implementation. So let me put it that way. So when my mother or my grandmother used to tell me that, Rashmi, you need to give more, I always used to think, like, when I was a little girl, I always used to think that if I give away everything, what will I have? I'll have nothing left. Just like, my daughter tells us this to me in this uh, role reversal. That, for example, from a little child's perspective, that, if she has 5 chocolates and she gives away two to her sister and one to her friend, she only has two left. And that's not fair, because they were her chocolates. How does giving away her stuff, the things that she owns, will get her more things in life? So what I do with her is I tell her that, if you give more, then hi Peggy, thanks for watching. How are the kids doing? So what I tell her, in order to teach her this concept and actually for her to be able to grasp and implement, is that if Preksha, you give away stuff and you actually get more. And funnily enough, this actually comes true. So when she gives away some of her chocolates or shares some of her stuff, there are, from some instance or the other, from some one source or the other, sometimes she'll get something good she'll do some good work at the school and she'll get some more chocolates. Thanks, Lindy. Hi, Erica. And sometimes she'll be good in one of the sports activities that she did, and she got another chocolate, and she's like, wow, Mom, this is really true. When I give away what I have, I do actually get more. And what I am trying for personally for myself, what I have started practicing is not necessarily you have to give away stuff or the things or the material things or money that you have. We can all give away time, and that's a very precious commodity. So if you can give away your time for a cause that you believe in, volunteer, either at the school or at your local community, it really, really makes a difference. You feel good, you connect with people, and universe or God or that upper force that you believe in actually comes together and gives it multifold to you. So that's what I wanted to speak to you all on a Sunday morning, that if you want more in life, give more, be generous, and multifold it would come back to you. So that's me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.